Hello kids, welcome back to your maths class. Last class we discussed about addition with regrouping. Addition of two-digit number with regrouping. Okay, let us revise what we learned. Find 47 plus 25. How to find 47 plus 25? First we place these numbers in the place value column. First we place these numbers in the place value chart. Tens column and this is the ones column. So tens column and this is the ones column. First we place these numbers in the place value chart. 47. How many tens and how many ones in the number 47? We know that 47 has 4 tens and 7 ones. The number 47 has 4 tens and 7 ones. Again the number 25. How many tens and how many ones? 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. 2 tens and 5 ones. This is the addition symbol. Okay, let us start our addition. We start from which side? We start from the right side. That is the digits in the ones place. First we add 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 is a two-digit number. We cannot write 12 in the ones column. So we write only the digit 2. That is the digits in the ones place. This is the digits in the ones place and this is the digits in the tens place. So only write 2 in the ones column and this one will go to the tens column. Carry over 1. Okay. Then again we start addition from the tens column. First we add this 1 and this 4. First we add 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Then we add 2 to this number. That is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. We write 7 in the tens column. 72 is the sum. 72 is the sum. 47 plus 25 is equal to 72. We start addition from the ones column and regroup 12 as 10 plus 2. We only write 2 in the ones column and this one will go to the tens column and then add 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Today we are going to solve some word problems related to addition without regrouping and with regrouping. First one. Rahul has 25 rupees. Rahul has 25 rupees. He needs 55 rupees more to buy a board game. He needs 55 rupees more to buy a board game. What is the cost of the board game? What is the cost of the board game? Okay, this is the word problem. So we need the step. Rahul has how many rupees? Rahul has 25 rupees. The amount of money Rahul has. We need the step. Amount of money. Rahul has is equal to how many rupees? 25 rupees. This symbol is used for rupees. 25 rupees. And he needs how many rupees more? He needs 55 rupees more to buy a board game. Amount of money. He needs more. Amount of money he needs more is equal to amount of money he needs more is equal to how many rupees? Rupees 55. Rupees 55. Okay, the amount of money Rahul has 25 and he need 55 rupees more. Then we have to find the cost of the board game. We have to find the cost of the board game. Cost of the board game is equal to, how to find? First we add 25 and 55. We add 25 plus 55. Okay, first the amount of money Rahul has rupees 25 and he need 55 rupees more. The cost of the board game is equal to, we add 25 and 55. You have to add 25 and 55. 25 plus 55. You have to find the sum 25 and 55. For this we place this number in the place value chart. This is the tens column and this is the ones column. How many tens and how many ones in the number 25? 2 tens and 5 ones. The number 55 has 5 tens and 5 ones. Okay, this is the addition symbol. Okay, let us start our addition. We start from the digits in the ones place. First we add 5 plus 5. We add 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So, we write 0 in the ones column and this one will go to the tens column. This one will go to the tens column and add, first we add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Again we add 3 to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we write 8 in the tens column. So the answer is 80. The cost of the board game is equal to 18. Okay, look here. Amount of money Rahul has 25. The amount of money he needs more is equal to 55 rupees. Cost of the board game is equal to 25 plus 55. 25 plus 55 is equal to 18. Okay, next question. Look here. In a classroom, there are 40 boys and 39 girls. In a classroom, there are 40 boys and 39 girls. How many students are there in the classroom in all? How many students are there in the classroom in all? Okay. The number of boys is equal to number of boys is equal to number of boys. Number of boys is equal to 40. Number of boys is equal to 40. And the number of girls is equal to 39. Number of girls is equal to how many? 39 girls. 39 girls. You have to find the total number of students in the class. We have to find the total number of students in the classroom. Total number is equal to total number is equal to 40 plus 39. How to find 40 plus 39? We have to place this number in the place value column. Tens column and ones column. We place 39 first, 3 tens and 9 ones. 40, 4 tens and 0 ones. This is the addition sign. Okay, let us start our addition. First, we add the digits in the ones place. First we add the digits in the ones place, that is 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. So we place 9 in the ones column. Then we add the digits in the tens column, that is 3 and 4. We add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So we place 7 in the tens column. 79 is the sum. So the total number of students in the class is equal to 79. Total number of students is equal to 79. Number of boys in the classroom 40 and the number of girls in the classroom 39. Total number of students in the classroom is equal to 40 plus 39. 40 plus 39 is equal to 79. Okay, another question. Sam has 51 pencils. Sam has 51 pencils. His brother Ron has 36 pencils. His brother Ron has 36 pencils. How many pencils do they have altogether? The number of pencils Sam has 51 and the number of pencils Ron has 36. We have to find the total number of pencils. We have to find the total number of pencils. It's a word problem, so we need the step. First, the number of pencils. The number of pencils Ron has. The number of pencils Ron has. Sorry, number of pencils Sam has. The number of pencils Sam has is equal to number of pencils. How many pencils? 51. 51 and the number of pencils Ron has. The number of pencils Ron has 36. The number of pencils. The number of pencils. The number of pencils Ron has is equal to how many pencils? 36. You have to find the total number of pencils. Total is equal to, we have to find total. Total is equal to, we add 51 and 36. 51 plus 36. Find 51 plus 36. 51 plus 36. For this, first we place these numbers in the place value chart. This is the tens column and this is the ones column. First we write 51 in the place value chart. Many tens and how many ones? The number 51. 51 has 5 tens and 1. The number 51 has 5 tens and 1 1. The number 36 has 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 1. This is the addition symbol. Okay, let us start our addition. We start from which place? Start from the digits in the ones place. First we add 1 plus 6. We know that 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. We write 7 in the ones column. Then add 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So we place 8 in the tens column. We place 8 in the tens column. This is the sum. 87 is the sum. So the total number of pencil is equal to 87. Number of pencils Sam has 51 and the number of pencils Ron has 36. Therefore the total number of pencil is equal to 51 plus 36. 51 plus 36 is equal to 87. Okay. Please do the homework. Let us try 3.2 question number 3. Okay, thank you.